Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Zagg strap for Apple Watch and the invisible shield tempered glass for the Apple Watch Series 5 and 4. So you can see here there is invisible shield glass fusion. It's a hybrid protection glass, quite nicely fits with the Apple Watch. It's engineered to be unbreakable, and it also comes with lifetime free warranty. That's quite nice, limited lifetime warranty. You can see some features here. You can just pause the video and read what is inside. But just showing you what's inside, this is what the box looks like while unboxing. And you get a nice wet wipe, then you have a soft cloth, then you get a tool to which from here you can just remove any extra bubbles. Then there is the dust tickle removal, the tempered glass, and the user manual. So this is the tempered glass directly fits onto the Apple Watch series. You can see here are the instructions given. Clean the device, snap on the tray, remove the liner, apply. That's it. Push for any bubbles, and you're good to go. So it was quite easy process, and this is one of the easiest tempered glass that we had. Taking a look at the Zagg Gear 4 stripes for the Apple Watch 4, there's a braided watch band here. You can see on the box pack itself, which shows you the strap length, which is quite nice to measure. And it is a braided watch band, which is of very high quality. So here it shows the length of the Apple Watch band strap that you have, which is 5 mm, etc. You can read it here. We have got this in three colors: the brown, blue, and green. Let me just open it and show you how do they look. So you can see these are the straps, and it's given the quick start guide on how to use it. So you can just pause the video and read how to use them. It's pretty much straightforward. Just remove the existing strap from your Apple Watch and you're good to go. These watch straps can also be used in other versions. Also, you can just check which version is suitable for you and you can buy it. I can tell that this watches are the straps are superior quality, and you should definitely buy one of them as a replacement for your existing strap just in case it gets damaged. So that was a quick video of the invisible shield class fusion and the Zagg strap. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.